Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I wanted to give you a quick update on my 2024 wig challenge update. I'll get that name right. WIG 2024. Hashtag WIG 2024. I'm going to get it right, Mike. I'm going to get it right, JT. GT. I'm going to get you right, too. GTJR. Grows in Alaska. So, anyway. Let me get to it. This is my borage that I planted for the challenge, and I planted this on February 23rd. They're doing really good, really, really good. Calendula. So I think this is a calendula as well. Let's turn that around. Yes. And, don't break it. Don't break that. Don't break that. I got these sticks in here to try to make them stand up, but they're not cooperating. And then this is the other calendula. Pretty tall, pretty tall. And then, what else did I plant? Oh, these. The nasturtiums. Hold on. Try not to show you my whole house. Nasturtiums. Look at that. They have grown so tall. And let me make sure this is the right one. If it was on the 2023, oh gosh, I can't even talk right today. February 23rd, is that what that says? Yes. And what else did I do? Oh, I did the moringa. And it hasn't done anything. It didn't grow well in those tall cups that I had. It hadn't germinated or anything. So I took the seeds out. I don't want to give up on them. I took the seeds out of those tall containers and I put them, if I can get this open, I'm using one hand here. I put them in here on this heat mat, and then I have light shining on. I still don't see anything. I just don't want to give up on them. I planted 4 seeds. Do y'all see anything? I don't see nothing yet. But I'm not going to give up hope. We're going to see. But it has been an entire month. Plus. Yep, that was, I took the tag off and put it on here. So that was the 23rd as well. But hopefully I have some more moringa seeds coming. Is that all that I did? On the 23rd, I don't remember. I think so. But in the meantime and in between time, I took these little clay pots and decided to plant something in them. And it's coming up. So this is, let's see, nasturtium. That don't look like nasturtium. They look like pansies. I don't know. Just to show you as we're on here, I started some pomegranate seeds that I ate a pomegranate and put the seeds in there. I got tomato plants growing here. We got sorrel. I got a little sorrel going on. Nothing here. These are my butterfly peas. Nothing yet. More Jamaican sorrel. I don't remember what's in there. I believe this is pansies, and maybe not. Oh, I did this on the 23rd? Oh, I transferred them, I think. So I did those in the challenge too, and I transferred them into this cup. I don't know what this little seed is. Let's see if I can get it out of here. All these are on heat mats. Oh, what is that? Oh, I got that from CC. Yeah, I'll say that. It's coxcomb. Celosia coxcomb. So I got a couple buds coming up. Oh, this is supposed to be about the wig challenge, right? Sorry. But while we're here, I just want to show you these other things that I'm growing. And this is lilac, if I'm not mistaken. All of this is lilac. Let me make sure I'm telling you right. Oh, wait a minute. Where's the label? Oh, it's on the box. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn this around and see. Oh, I don't want to knock nothing over. And I'm not trying to make y'all dizzy. Oh. That is lavender. Yes, I planted that on the 10th of March. And then in these little, this little greenhouse with the clay pots, this is more, I believe, calendula. Gotta turn it around. Let's turn it around. Oh, I had calendula on one side. Oh, I can't even read. Is that what that says? Calendula on one side. Oh, and this is, let me turn it back around. Hold on. This is hard to do with one hand. What does that say? I think I put, oh, I can't see it. Oh, borage on the other side. Okay, okay. So that's all that I have on this table, and that's all I'm going to show you right now. I have another nasturtium that I transplanted into this container here. But I got a few things growing on. So I wanted to get this update in before the end of the challenge, which I believe is April 4th, and today is April 1st. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Good luck to everybody in the challenge. Happy growing, y'all. Grow with me so that I can grow with you. Okay? Love ya. Hit that thumbs up.